हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं निशा जैन। आप देख रहे हैं बालाजी न्यूज़। और जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, इस वक्त गर्मियाँ बहुत जल्दी से पड़ गई हैं और बहुत तेज़ गर्मी पड़ गई है। और ऐसे में हर बड़ी कंपनी अपने अपने नए प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके आम जनता के साथ, आम पब्लिक के साथ या आम कस्टमर्स के साथ रूबरू होती हैं अपने नए प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ। ऐसे में हम जानते हैं आज ब्लू स्टार ने अपने बहुत कुछ नए प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च किए हैं, तो उनसे कैसे रूबरू कराया जाए जानते हैं आगे।
दिल्ली 9 अप्रैल। ब्लू स्टार लिमिटेड ने आगामी गर्मी के सीजन के लिए कमर्शियल रेफ्रिजरेशन प्रोडक्ट्स की एक विशाल रेंज लॉन्च करने की घोषणा की है। इसमें ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो विभिन्न रेफ्रिजरेशन आवश्यकताओं को पूरा करने के लिए विशेष रूप से डिजाइन किए गए हैं। कंपनी ने अपने कमर्शियल रेफ्रिजरेशन व्यवसाय का विस्तार करने और देश में बढ़ते अवसरों का लाभ उठाने की योजना बनाई है। ब्लू स्टार की व्यापक कमर्शियल रेफ्रिजरेशन सॉल्यूशंस रेंज। ब्लू स्टार ने 80 वर्षों की समृद्ध विरासत और विशेषज्ञता के साथ कमर्शियल रेफ्रिजरेशन प्रोडक्ट्स और सॉल्यूशंस की व्यापक रेंज विकसित की है।
Sales marketing. He joins us from the Unilever, Hindustan Unilever, where he has held various positions in sales and marketing across the country. And most importantly, he has worked for many years in Lucknow, looking after their central region. So he will be at the helm of the affair, and perhaps next year when we meet, he will be addressing you. The Rather than making a presentation, it's better for me to tell the story of commercial refrigeration, what's happening in the country, and what should happen in the country, and what is happening in Blue Star. So you are aware, Blue Star is a 83-year-old company.
I head product management and marketing for the room air conditioner business as well as the commercial refrigeration business for which we are here today. I also head corporate communications and marketing for the company, and we are here to launch a comprehensive range of commercial refrigeration solutions. Mr. Tyagarajan has already given you some insights in terms of our entire range. I'll quickly go through the entire range that we have. Some of these models are on display. We have 7 plants, 2 in Himachal Pradesh, very close, 5 hours from Delhi, 1 in Ahmedabad, 1 in Vada. Ahmedabad and Vada produce deep freezers and water coolers, which we are presenting to you today. Dadra, which is mainly for central air conditioning, and Sri City. What is our USP? Mr. Tyagarajan was mentioning what is our USP. We realized the fact that in commercial refrigeration, it is not only a refrigeration anymore, it's also visibility.
For the refrigeration products, and in Delhi per se we have 50 channel partners, and if I take cold storages, we have over 50 dealers in North and 12 partners in Delhi.
So my name is Girish Ingorani. I did product management and marketing for room air conditioners and the commercial refrigeration business. I also look after corporate communications for the company, and we are here today to launch a comprehensive range of commercial refrigeration solutions to meet diverse applications and every customer need. On offer today is a range of equipment starting from deep freezers, which are hard top deep freezers and glass top for better visibility. Today the focus is not only on refrigeration but also visibility. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, और अगर जब कंज्यूमर्स आते हैं दाल या चावल लेने के लिए और आइसक्रीम लेके खरीद के जाते हैं, दैट इज़ मेनली बिकॉज विजिबल है। तो विजिबिलिटी पे बहुत फोकस है आजकल। तो डीप फ्रीजर सबसे लार्जेस्ट कैटेगरी है जहाँ मार्केट लीडर्स हैं। उसके अलावा वाटर कूलर्स हैं जो हम 1940 से बेच रहे हैं, और वाटर कूलर्स इज अ सेगमेंट दैट वी बीन लीडर्स ऑन फॉर द लास्ट 7 to 8 decades now. And
जैसे कि हाउ डज ब्लू स्टार प्लान टू कैप्चर मार्केट शेयर इन कमर्शियल रेफ्रिजरेशन सेगमेंट?
So we are expanding our entire range of commercial refrigeration. We've launched new products, new capacities. We are handling all price points possible. There are many new applications जैसे bottle cooler हमने बताया, which are for pull down of beverages. So deep freezer को bottle cooler में convert किया, all of that.
Any upcoming R&D initiative
technology initiatives.
There is a lot of R&D initiatives that go on because two things, as Mr. Tyagarajan mentioned also earlier, eco-friendly refrigerants are very important. So the focus is on sustainability, on energy efficiency. This is a product which runs 24/7. Unlike an AC which you switch on or switch off only for a few hours in the night. So 24/7 application, and therefore energy efficiency also becomes important. So all our R&D efforts are based on that. And also we understand a lot of consumer feedback. Like for example, our busy cooler used to have a door which opens but it doesn't close on its own. So sometimes people just leave it open and go. The retailer doesn't realize and the coolness goes. So it's self-closing. You open it, it'll close on its own. So things like that. Just an example.
How do these products differ from exciting commercial refrigeration in the market?
How are they different from the others?
Yes.
So primarily our focus is on the quality, reliability and high performance cooling. In an air conditioner, for example, if the AC fails, there's only discomfort for a few hours. But here there's a lot of losses of the ice creams and all the perishables there. So which is why we ensure we focus all our efforts are on quality, reliability and durability in this segment. Thank you.
Any other future plans?
The future plans is to continue to expand, continue to grow in this segment, see what other markets are emerging, what other applications are emerging, and have solutions for that.
क्या कहेंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
हमारे viewers को-
products launch किए.
हाँ, तो जो नया प्रोडक्ट्स हमने अभी लॉन्च किए हैं वो हर नीड के लिए हैंडल कर सकते हैं. जो आइसक्रीम रिटेलर्स हैं, यू कैन बेफिक्र आप आइसक्रीम्स तो बेचिए. 47 डिग्री पे भी हमारी आइसक्रीम कूल रहेगी, कभी मेल्ट नहीं होगी.